Hey guys, it's me Amanda, also known as Cherries, and today we're doing this easy to follow and simple fall look. So if you would like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Hey guys, let's get started. Before we do get started, let me just give a warning that I am doing this during the day when my roommates are up. So if you hear noises in the background, my apologies. I can't stop them from living their lives. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prime my eyes using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer in beige. You can use any color you feel is right for your skin tone, or you can use white. I don't think they have a white one though. If they have a yellow one, you could use yellow. Just going to place this all over my eyelid and up into the brow. Now to set my concealer, I'm using e.l.f.'s Flawless Eyeshadow in Smoky. I can't find this anywhere online, so I'm sorry. I'm using the color white though, the eyelid color, like this. You can use any white you want, or any beige color or yellow color. Either way will help brighten the colors that go on your eye. I'm using a big fluffy brush. I'm going to place this everywhere that I had placed the concealer. Alright, let's get to the actual eyeshadow part. I'm using Morphe's palette in 3052 or 3502. I'm going to use the color you can't even see. I'm going to use the color Universal, which is right here. It's this beige, dark beige color. I'm going to use the same fluffy brush, and I'm going to place this in the crease. I'm using windshield wiper motions and swirling at the same time with my fingers all the way at the end of the brush. Now I'm using the color Ablaze, which is right here. Darker orange color. It's not darker orange, it's orange. It's just flat out orange. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to place this into the crease as well, but a little bit lower than how high I put the last color, which was Universal. Don't be afraid of getting it on your eyelid. You're going to be putting more concealer on your eyelid in a cut crease. So let's just get this on. I was using the same motions I was using before to put on this eyeshadow. So sweeper motions and circling on occasion. Using any brush that you feel comfortable with. I'm using a artist brush. I'm gonna close this for now. And I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles concealer. And I'm going to put it on the artist brush, and I'm going to cut crease my eye. Now normally I would place it down somewhere and look up, but this concealer doesn't really do that very well, where it normally transfers up to the higher part of your eye so you can know where to go for your concealing or cut creasing, but this one doesn't do it, so you just gotta guess. I'm gonna go a little bit above my actual eye line. I have to get close, so if I blur out, I'm sorry. And we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow, let's see, Sauce. It looks like it's a glittery or shimmery orange. Looks like this. And I'm going to wetten it because I noticed when I was doing it before and it did not wetten the brush, the color didn't transfer nicely. So I'm wetting the brush. I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose in 1 primer water. And it's going to go into the color. And I'm going to put it everywhere I put that concealer. Sorry if I got blurry right there. I don't notice when I'm getting blurry or not. And that's all that you need of that color. Just gonna put the brush to the side. With my Morphe M506 brush, looks like this. I'm going to use the color Risky. I'm going to take it on the brush and then I'm going to place it at the very end of my eye, blending it in towards the shimmery orange, the sauce color, and blending it in place at the same time. I'm going to clean off the brush and then I'm going to go in to the center where the two colors meet, and I'm just going to brush them together to blend them out. I'm just going to go over the line real quick, just a little, so it doesn't look so sharp. And then that's all that you need of the Morphe palette. Now I'm going to line my upper lid with Il Makiage ink liner in black. I'm going to pull my mirror as close as possible because I'm not good at liners, so this is going to be interesting. So if I blur out, my apologies. And then I'm going to curl my lashes with an eyelash curler. And since I can't find my L'Oreal telescopic mascara, I can't find it anywhere, I'm using Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and it doesn't say. It's black, so use sweeping motions and brush it upwards to help curl the eyelashes. Just be careful when you do this because you don't want to transfer the mascara onto your eyelid of all the hard work you just did. I'll do the same with the bottom lashes. Now as you can see, I didn't add any shadow under my eyes. You can choose to do so if you wish, but I'm just trying to make this a quick fall look for you guys. Now for falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Sultry. They'll look like this. For adhesive, I'm using Kiss Lashes adhesive. Place it on the falsies. I'm gonna let this dry as best as I can without letting it dry for too long. I'm using two shades for my lips. I'm using NYX Lingerie lipstick or lip liquid in Teddy. And then I'm going to use Dose of Colors in 30. And I'm going to place this in the center of my lips. So right here. Blend it out. And right here. I'm going to spray my face with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 primer water. And then I'm going to dab myself with my damp beauty blender to get all the excess powder off. So that's how you get this look. I hope I made it simple and easy for you to follow, and I hope you like the look. And don't worry if you can't get the exact palettes. If you can get oranges similar to the colors that I'm using, that will work also. Don't fret. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Like, comment, and subscribe.